We're ready. Emily, we're ready. Climb on your weapon.
I don't know how to do that.
Just, you're going to be the passenger. So the passenger means they sit on the right side.
Right side.
Right side.
Okay.
Jen's going to be the destructor, the driver.
Yes. What? I'm
Destructor.
Instructor.
Not an instructor, the destructor.
Okay.
1953 International TD-20. Weighs 20 tons, 12 feet wide. And that only weighs 1.5 tons. Now, these are the brakes. Put your feet on the brakes. Just put your feet on them. All right. Now, you don't do any pushing on them. You can just leave them there for support. But like Emma, no, I was going to say, like I said,
Okay.
when you start driving, put your feet here and here for support.
Okay.
And you hold here, not here.
Yeah, hold here.
Hold here.
I got you.
Put your feet ready. We have to reposition the merchandise. Up, all aboard. Remember the feet on the dash.
Feet on the dash.
Thanks for watering my crops, Jen. Anytime. Now you can crush my car. Just remember, speed it up and then drive. Oops! Wrong way! Okay! Go! That's better. That's crushing a Camry. Hang on! Woo! Good work.
Nice. Oh yeah. Jen's in her glory, crushing the Toyota. Oh yeah. Oh, just shredded it. Beautiful.
Yeah! Oh, sweet. Oh, we lost some body parts. Getting a little carried away. Good enough for me. Excellent work. Now time for a beer.
Beer!
Beers, babes, and bulldozers. What more can you ask for?
Bud, catnip.
Oh yeah.
All right, Dave, finish it off.
Done good enough for me. We just need to get the tractor, push it out of the way, so we can still get back and forth to the beach. Yeah. Piece of shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, Dave, finish it off.
You gotta go a little closer to
I think she's done.
the